Hi everyone, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the round 2 cutoff of Comet Counseling 2020 and I will analyze it and I will try to analyze the cutoff, how much it will rise for the third round. And so watch this video till the end. I will cover all the important colleges and their cutoff and try to estimate the rise in cutoff for the third round. So watch this video till the end so that you will get all the information and you will get the information what you should do next, or you should take admission or not. So in this video I will try to cover these many topics: the cutoffs, analysis, decision making, that what you should make decision, you should choose different college or different branch or not. So, and what will be the expected rise in the cutoff for third round, and and the most important thing, the three logic for cutoff rise in third round, and also the logic behind why the cutoff is so down for second round also as of first round, because many of you haven't got the deserving college. So why you don't get and will you get for third round, I will consider all these things. So if you have any doubt after watching this video, you can ask me in the comment section or on my Instagram. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also. And for many videos on top 20 college, top 25 college under Comet K, check the I button as well as the description box. So let's start the today's video. Here is the cutoff and their analysis. So first of all, I will tell you, if you don't get the deserving college, then don't worry. Here I will tell you the three possible reasons that cause the drop in cutoff, and due to that the cutoff will surely rise for the third round. So the first of that is the many of the students who got already admission through JOSA counseling or any other counseling, they are also doing the counseling for just for fun, because they want to know which type of college they are going to get if they participate. So they all will reject the college after the second round. And the second type of a student who have bad rank, you can say, and don't get the deserving college, so they will think of their money because they have paid 50,000. So to getting the 50,000 money, they have to surrender before third round itself, because after third round they can't surrender. So they will surrender, so the vacancy will be created. And the third, the main important reason is the Cometke authority. They want to get as many student as they can through management quota, so that they are giving you the college that you do not deserve, because I mean the bad college, so that the student can go through management quota and pay high amount of fee to them. So these are the three possible reason why the cutoff is so low. And due to this, the cutoff for third round will go high, because by the third round the cutoff Cometke authority have to fulfill all the colleges, so they can't uh, make the seat vacant. So by the third round they have to provide all the student seat that is vacant in the college. So I advise you, don't worry. If you get the college that you deserve by the second round, then congratulations, take your admission without wasting any time. And if you are doing the counseling just for fun, then don't play with the real student. You should withdraw from the counseling, because the real student facing the problem. So now I will consider all the important college that you should consider. If you have think of a particular college and you are getting another college, then you can go for it if that college comes in this list. So watch this video till the end, because I will tell you every college cutoff and the expected rise. So first of all is MS Ramaiah Institute. The first cutoff is for IS, that is Information Science Engineering. It is second round cutoff 852. So if you get under this, then you should get the college, and if you waiting for third round, then your rank should be under 1200. If you are under 1200 or even 1300, then you can think for it, you can get in the next round. So for EC cutoff it is 1281. So if you are under 1500 rank, then you can think of it, or even 1700 you can think you will get for the third round. And the CSC cutoff is 570. So if you are under 800, or I would say 750, then you can think of getting it in the third round. So the next is National Institute of Engineering and Technology. The highest cutoff is 7300 by second round, and EC cutoff sorry, for CSC it is 6000. So if you wanting ISE, then you should have the rank under 9000. And if you are looking for CSC, then your rank should be 7.5 thousand. So next is NIE Mysore. For IS it is 4200. So if you are under 6000, you can think you will get a seat. And for EC it is 6100. So if you are under 8000 rank, then you can think for it in third round. And for CSC it is 3500. So if you are under 5000, or I would say 4500, then you can think for third round. Now RB Institute of Technology and Management. For IS it is 4100. So third round cutoff will be around 5000. And for EC 4900. So the third round will be around 6000. And for CSE it is 3400. So third round will be around 4000 rank. So and now for Riva College. For EC the cut for IS sorry for IS the cutoff is 11000. So if you are under 15000, then you can think of it, because it is a lower college, so you can get the cutoff will increase too much because it is lower college. Now SMVIT, the highest cutoff is 3500. So if you are under 5000, you can hope for this. And if you are looking for EC, then you should have the cutoff, you should have the rank under 9000, because the second round cutoff is 7100. And for CSC you should have under 4000 rank to look for the third round. Now Siddhgama, the highest cutoff is 4700 by second round. So if you are under 6000, you can think for it. And for EC it is 8200. So if you are under 10,000, you can think for it. And for CS it is 4300. So if you are under 5000 rank, then you can think for it in third round. So I am telling the third round cutoff because you have to take the decision by second round. So if you are coming under that expectation, then think you will going to get. If you not come, then change your mind. Change your mind for another college. Please don't change your mind for branch, because branch will decide everything for you in future. And if you choose the wrong branch, then you have to face the difficulty in future. So be aware of branch. Now more college SDM, the IS cutoff is 22,000. So if you are under 25 or even 30,000, you can get. Now the RNS 7200 for IS. So if you are under 9000, you can think for it. And for EC it is 13,000. So if you are come under 18,000 rank or 17,000, you can think for it in third round. And for CS it is 5560. So if you are under 7000, then you can think for CS in RNS college. Now the RV highest cutoff is only 350, so if you are under 400 then you can get, otherwise no possible, because no one will leave this college who have got. And IS 9000, so if you are 900, sorry, so if you are under 1000 then you can take. And the CSE is 266, so I don't think it will increase much because no one will leave the, but if you are under 300 then you can think for it. Now NITTE Meenakshi, that is the highest cutoff is 5500, so if you are under 7000 or 6500 you can think for it. Now for CS, for CS it is 4500, so if you are under 5500 rank then you can think for it in the second, sorry, in the third round. Now the KLE Technological Institute, the highest cutoff is 17,000, so if you are under 22,000 rank then you can think for it. Dayanand Sagar University, it has also very low cutoff, that is 22,000, so if you are under 30,000 you can easily get in third round. Now DSC, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, the highest cutoff is 3000, so if you are under 4 or at 3800 rank then you can easily get it in third round. And for EC 5900, so if you are under 7000 you can think for it. And for CS it is 2150, so if you are at around 2500 rank you can think for it in the third round. Now Ambedkar College, the highest cutoff is 13,000, so if you are under 18,000 you can get it in third round. And for EC it is 18,000, so if you are around 22,000 then you can think for it. Now JSS College, the highest cutoff is 11,000, so if you are under 15,000 you can think for it. And because the cutoff will go really high due to the three reasons that I have talked in the beginning, so please carefully listen the reasons and so believe in the my expectation, because it will really increase. And for CSA it is 9,000, so if you are under 12,000 then you can think for it. Now some more college, JSS University, so for IS it is 2000, so if you are at around 2500 rank then you can think for it. And for EC it is 4800, so if you are under 6000 you can think for it in third round. Now BNM, for IS it is 8300, so if you are under 10,000 rank then you can get easily. And for EC it is 13,800, so if you are at 17 or 16,000 rank then you can easily get it in third round. And for CS if your rank is under 10,000 then you can think for it. Now the Bangalore Institute of Technology, the EC highest cutoff is 3000, so if you are around 3500 then you can easily get in the third round, or even 4000, because the cutoff will increase surely. And for CS it is 1900, so if you are at 2500 rank or around it you can get it till third round. Now BMS, the cutoff for ISC is 720, so if you are under 900 rank or 1000 you can think for it in the last round. And for CS it will not increase so much because it is a very good college, so no one can leave this college until and unless if they have got any other college admission. So if you are under 500 rank then you can think for it. And now for BMS IT, the highest cutoff is 3000, so if you are under 4000 you can think. And for EC 7800, so if you are under 9000 or 10,000 rank then you can think for it. And for CSE it will not increase much, but if you are under 2000 you can get it. So now the CMR, Institute of Technology, the highest cutoff is 9300. So if you are under 12,000 rank, then you can get easily, because the lower college rank will go higher. You can easily estimate by first round and second round, because the best college no one will leave it, and for lower college someone leave it because they don't think they can got good placement or good education in that college, so they will leave it, so the cutoff will go high. And for CS it is 7400. So if you are under 9000 you can think for it. Now for Acharya it is 14,000 for IS. So if you are under 20,000 you can think for it for the third round. So now the PES college, the IS cutoff is 10,000. So if you are under 15,000 you can think for it in the third round. So this is all about the second round cutoff and expected cutoff for the third round. So wait for the third round and listen the logic for the cutoff um, decrement in the second round, because these logic are really valid, because in third round the cutoff will surely increase due to those three reasons. So now I will talk about the decision making, what decision you should make. Now after the second round you should get an idea which type of college you are going to get, because if you get in second round then it is good, and if you don't then you can think by going through this video that which type of college you are going to get by the third round. So make the decision wisely. I would say if you are falling under that expectation rank, then do accept and upgrade. Then you can easily get your deserving college in the third round. And accept and freeze if you get the desired college and fully satisfied. And the important thing for refund, please do reject and withdraw. It will help other student if you don't want to take admission, and this will be the last time for you, because after third round you can't withdraw, and for refund you will face the difficulties. So if you want the refund, then do reject and withdraw immediately. And the last thing, if you think you need to change your preference before third round, so do these changes before the third round in the specified time that will given by the comment K. So um, by going through this video you have the idea which type of college you are going to get, so according to that change your preference order above the allotted college. So this is all about the second round cutoff and decision making that you should make before the third round. Hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.